Basically, so if you don't remember, in somewhere, if I can open this up, um, yeah, okay, um, I was at one point trying to add Vulkan to, Crystal 2D, and I do intend on making Crystal 3D probably Vulkan and maybe DirectX too, but Vulkan was really, like, the difficult part, and I got, like, sort of I ended up just not really doing, and to be honest, I need to probably delete these. These are not really filled in. Like, I mean, like, the header files are there, but, like, the actual implementation is not really there. Point is, I was trying to, and DirectX at some point will be added. The point is, I was trying to do Vulkan, but I was not very good at it. It's really difficult. If you've tried it before, you'd know what I'm talking about. If you haven't tried it, then I would highly recommend the Vulkan cookbook. If I can pull it up here. Yes, okay. So it's actually $10 an ebook. Yeah, that's actually a steal. I bought it on Amazon, so I got like the physical print copy of it or whatever. Yeah, $10 is steal for this book. It's really good. I highly recommend it. But basically, why has this been taking so long? It's because I'm trying to write the entire thing in C. This book is C++. I would not at all recommend you try and do this in C, because I've been working on this for like, I think 5 days now, and this is like all I've got. Just prints out some available extensions. Yeah, I've got all this commented. I may make like a how to learn Vulkan series, and in fact, if this video gets 5 likes, I'll make one. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working on currently. It's just a renderer. It's not gonna be an engine. Although at some point I may write a renderer in C and then end up using it for Crystal 3D or 2D, and I just hit my mic. But yeah, this is not going to be like any engine. It's simply just a renderer. And then I tried to get validation layers to work, and they don't really want to work. I was having a really strange issue yesterday, actually. I was trying to create a Vulkan instance, and it did not want to work. I tried for like 5 hours. It did not want to work. I really didn't know what was wrong with it. If you pull up the GitHub desktop, yeah, this is the repository. It's private currently because it's not very good right now, but eventually it will be. I don't know why this is C++. It's written in C, and it's definitely not Python. It's probably some of these files, the VCX, even though it's just C. Anyways, yeah, I've just got Vulkan SDK, and I need to remove these. Like, you don't need the entire SDK. It's literally just the include, and the library, I think. But the source here, I think I ended up removing this, so I need to delete this. And yeah, so I did actually end up having to write my own vector because I needed one. So, like, for instance here, you need to be able to get the available extensions, but it could be different on any device. So I ended up just writing my own vector, which took like, I've probably written, what is this, 300 lines? I think I've written like 500 lines to make that vector. No, not 500, like more like 250. But point is, it took a while, so it's been kind of a slow process. But like, what is this? And there's some debug information here. I think I just updated this. It might actually be the same file. Yes, so basically this should work. I think the latest commit was fixed, but it took like 5 hours to get the instance to work. I really don't know what was wrong with it. This is just a little test if you slap a breakpoint here. Just to make sure that this is, yeah, so this is gonna be filled with the available extensions, and then I just needed to make sure that this one with like the vector was working and that it was valid and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not even close to being able to draw a triangle, because the 1,000 lines of Vulkan to draw a triangle is not a lie. Like, I've probably already written, it's 42, you know, and then like 350 lines, and all I can do is this. So, or, you know, move that. But yeah, so yes, it is in the making, and that is pretty much what I've been doing. So yeah, 5 likes, I'll make a tutorial series, I guess. So that's pretty much it.